Hello, my name is Muhammad Afif Asri Hadi bin Suhadi, and my metric number is 190008. My FRP project is identifying infiltration zone of pond using 2D electrical resistivity tomography during monsoon season. And my supervisor for my project is Lieutenant Elimia Bifematology. Okay, for introduction of my project, the infiltration is the process which water from the ground surface into the subsurface area, which is governed by two forces, which is capillary and derivative force. Electric resistivity tomography is based on electric resistivity of Earth, which will produce a 2D image of the surface to investigate and used to investigate the geological characteristic of the subsurface area. Okay, there are three objectives of my study, which first is to find the infiltration zone of pond, second to determine the flow of water under the pond, and third to achieve result of study by using the concept of ERT survey. For my problem statement, is the hard rock that is placed under the pole is the main issue of the site. The infiltration zone of water need to be investigated to know whether the water is flowing into the rock or not. And the ERT technique will be used to gain a 2D image, and this result will be used to investigate the infiltration zone. For my method, this is the location of my study area, which is placed at Faculty of Educational Studies, (BPM). So the red line here is my study area, which is only 100 meter, and this black box over here is the location of the pond. So this my arrangement of electrodes, which divided into 4 quarter of line. If the first quarter will have 10 electrodes, second and third quarter will have 20 electrodes each, and the fourth quarter will be 10 electrodes. So I will be use Bonus Gambarker array method, and each segment or quarter of line will have 25 meter each. Okay, I will process the data using ABM parameter SS4000, which is used as the medium collector of the data. And this parameter is connected by using a cable to transfer the data into the laptop. SAS4000 utilities will be used as the software to transfer the imported data into DAT format. And then the DAT format is read by using the RES2DINV software to produce a 2D image of resistivity section. And the 2D image will be adjusted in a repetitive process in order to reduce the root mean square or RMS error in the acceptable limits. So for my project of study, I will study the identification method, which is the ERT method, and study the location area where the best area to place to do the survey. And then on the day of, I will select a day to do the survey and get the raw data and transfer the data using ABM parameter into the laptop, and will gain a 2D profile using the RES2D and software, and then I analyze it to get to investigate the infiltration zone and flow of water. Okay, for my result and discussion, the pond is located over here at -40 meter until 1.3 meter, which is over here, and the depth of the pond is about 1 meter. Okay, this the salt type indicator, color indicator for my this based on this result, and I get this resistivity from the previous study. And then from the color profile, from this color profile, I will arrange the 2D image. The image here at the upper layer is the before range image, and below is the 2D after range image. So we can clearly see the where is the low resistivity of the area, where is have a low resistivity area. So the blue color is the low resistivity value, which is, we can say, water, because it has low resistivity. The water has low resistivity value, and I will determine the infiltration zone, which is this area, the blue color one, the black color circle. Okay, for the location, of, I have a draw image to for more understanding. So the water from the rainfall will go into the pond, and the water from the pond will infiltrate into the subsurface area, which is this area below the ground surface. So this is the infiltration zone, and the water from the infiltration zone will move into the saturated zone at the right and left side, right and left side. So this is the limestone and the hard rock that is placed uh, below the pond. Okay, because I have done the survey at December 2019, I have to get the rainfall data at December 2019. So there are a slight rain happened at 1, at 1st, 5th, at 11, 15, and 24 December 2019. And moderate rain occurred at 6 December, and heavy rain occurred at 18, 22, and 28 December 2019. I have done my project and on 13 December 2019. So for my conclusion of project, the electrical resistivity tomography was as successful as it has already achieved the objective of the study. Full concept of ERT technique has been used, and Werner-Schnabberger is being used because it has a good resolution, high depth, and good at detecting vertical structure of the study area. So for my recommendation of my study, I will recommend to do, because my study uh, only effect on the monsoon season, and I will recommend to do the project on different season, which is dry season, to know whether it for whether the infiltration is changing or not. So this is also called as time-lapse technique, which is comparing the infiltration zone and observe the data to see the difference of the infiltration zone. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.